This piece of 6mm HardieBacker is going on a masonry wall. What we've done is cut quite deep down. This is a high grab adhesive, and I'm just going to put around about a 10mm bead, and I'm going to put 3 along the board. Trying to keep them as even as possible. This isn't to secure the board, this is quite simply to just hold it onto the wall before we apply the mechanical fixings. As I place the board, it's just slightly offset, and all I'm going to do is slide the board along, which will help spread the adhesive. And from here, we're now going to drill. In a full board, we ask for 3 banks of 3. As we're staggering the joints, this is only a half board, we just need 6. So I'm just marking roughly around about 50mm on each corner. From there, all I'm going to do is take a brown roll plug, already with a screw in, because that's going to help manage to get it through into the wall. By already having the screw in the roll plug, you'll be able to get it sat deeper into the wall, as the screw must go a minimum of 50mm into the masonry. And then we're just going to screw straight through. So ensure you always stagger the joints, then go over with an alkali resistant tape. If this wall was slightly out, instead of a high grab adhesive, you can actually use a 6mm bed of tile adhesive in order to feather the wall. And then again, you must just drill, plug and screw. Remember, on a full board, we ask for a bank of 3 repeated 3 times. If this wall was skim, again, it's just the same principle. Ensure that you're going through the skim into the masonry, minimum of 50mm.